You really don't like turning your blinker off, do you?
Not really. What if I'm making a turn up here? You don't know. Ooh, look at all that gravel.
Again with his blinker.
Fuck off.
Trying to help you so you don't get hit by a car here.
I don't know why, but usually when I'm driving by myself, I remember to turn off my blinker.
Maybe you just think you do it and you just ride around with it on the whole time.
No, I really do. I have videos. I gotta turbo this bike.
No, screw that. Turbo mine.
Fuck that. That'll be a lot harder.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
Nah, a couple pipes of turbo, some oil lines is done.
Yeah, you can't say that making a single-cylinder manifold would be harder than making a two-cylinder.
It might be a little bit.
Yeah, it will.
Mine would be more fun with the turbo, though.
Yeah, I guess it would. Do you know anybody with a dyno?
No.
You'd have to put it on a dyno so you don't blow up your fucking engine.
That doesn't sound like a whole lot of fun.
Yeah, I think that'd be the funnest part. Aside from making the manifold and mounting it, I just think it'd fucking all be fun.
Do you know where you're at yet?
No clue.
Well, if you made a left back there, that's the road I go mudding on. Although I don't think you've ever gone mudding with
Yeah, you bastard. You took Pat.
That's because he was always the one nagging me.
All the more reason to take me.
That's true. But then he wanted to shut up again.
Yeah, true. All valid points. Where are we going? You're going away from me. That's where you're going. I really gotta change this fucking gearing, dude.
And I don't really know where we're going. I'm just riding.
Alright, it's fine with me, as long as we get back.
Well, right now we're on the Black Horse Pike. If you stay on us, it'll take you through Hamilton and then Ocean City.
Well, I know where we're going then. Oh my god, I thought that guy had his feet up on the dash while he was driving. I was like, how's that even possible?
Cruise control.
Oh yeah.
I've driven with my feet out the window before.
I haven't.
It's kind of nice. You get a breeze. I can't show you because my shoelace was stuck.
I remember driving without the doors on the Jeep.
Yeah, I missed that thing.
Yeah. You should buy one.
There's another insurance payment. Wait till I get rid of the Focus.
Is that what you're getting next to Jeep then?
I don't know. Some newer. Some I'll have to work on. Something that's not junk.
Is that a night? I think that's a night rod. The guy in the front.
Well, alright then. That bike in the back, though, looks kind of funny.
Yeah. Up. Come on, people.
It's about time we enjoy using a bike.
You know where this goes?
Nope.
Alright.
My back tire kicked out a little around that turn. Felt like it. Would you like to see where this road goes, or would you like to turn around and shoot back down the way we came?
Yeah, let's see where it goes.
Alright. You want to find out where this road goes?
Sure.
Alright.
Your blinker's on.
Gotcha. Ah, about Wonder where we are. It's kind of nice with this phone thing right here, because I can look at my GPS and everything.
Yeah.
And it even talks to me through the helmet.
Really?
Yeah. Huh. Like it'll say left turn 200 feet.
Mom's left turn is 200 feet.
Are you opened up all the way?
No. It's only like half throttle.
Alright.